Tired of battling stubborn stains and embedded dirt on your carpets, upholstery, or car interiors? Say goodbye to the frustration and hello to professional-grade cleaning power with the BISSELL Little Green Pro Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. In this review, we'll explore why this compact yet mighty machine is a game-changer for tackling tough messes, how it combines superior suction and scrubbing action for unparalleled cleaning results, and why it's a must-have for pet owners and anyone looking to maintain a clean and fresh living space. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cleaning your home like a pro. Professional-grade cleaning performance. Let's start with what matters most: cleaning performance. The BISSELL Little Green Pro isn't just another spot cleaner, it's our most powerful spot and stain cleaner yet. With a combination of superior suction, scrubbing action, and specially formulated BISSELL cleaning solutions, it's designed to remove even the toughest stains and embedded dirt from carpets, upholstery, stairs, and auto interiors. Say goodbye to surface-level cleaning and hello to professional-style results with this compact yet mighty machine. Versatile cleaning solutions. Whether you're dealing with pet stains, spills, or everyday dirt and grime, the Little Green Pro has you covered. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to transport and maneuver, so you can tackle messes anywhere, from hard-to-reach areas to larger surfaces. With tools like the Deep Stain Tool and 3 Tough Stain Tool included, you'll have everything you need to achieve professional-grade results at home. Pet-friendly cleaning. As pet owners, we know how challenging it can be to keep our homes clean and fresh. That's why the BISSELL Little Green Pro isn't just a cleaner, it's a lifesaver for pet parents everywhere. With its powerful suction, scrubbing action, and professional cleaning formula, it's specifically designed to tackle stubborn pet stains and embedded dirt, leaving your carpets and upholstery looking and smelling like new. Plus, with every purchase, you're helping support the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Convenience and ease of use. With the BISSELL Little Green Pro, professional-style cleaning has never been easier. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and maneuver, while its powerful suction and scrubbing action ensure thorough and effective cleaning every time. Plus, with 2/8 Oz trial size formulas included, you can start cleaning right out of the box, without the need to purchase additional cleaning solutions. Final verdict. In conclusion, the BISSELL Little Green Pro Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is a game-changer for anyone looking to maintain a clean and fresh living space. With its professional-grade cleaning performance, versatile cleaning solutions, pet-friendly design, and convenience features, it's a must-have for pet owners and anyone seeking professional-style results at home. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and embedded dirt and hello to a cleaner, fresher home with the BISSELL Little Green Pro. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.